Konnichiwa! Welcome to Taste Prep. My name is Mayumi Wright and I'm your host for this show. Today we're making Japanese style condiment called lemon pepper. Normally in Japan we use Yuzu citrus for this condiment, but since we're in the States and it's really hard to find Yuzu, I'm going to use lemon for this condiment. It's very simple to make with very few ingredients, and I'll show you how to do it. So let's get started. This is what you need for making Japanese style lemon pepper from scratch. You will need 1/3 cup of lemon peel, 1/3 cup of jalapeno pepper, 1/8 cup of salt, 1 teaspoon or more of vinegar of your choice, 1 small glass jar with top, and you will also need a food processor. So today we're making lemon pepper. We need 1/3 cup of lemon peel. So I have peeled the lemon already, but I was going to show you how to peel the lemon with the peeler. Don't want the white part of the lemon to go in because it will create a bitter taste. So I'm just very lightly peeling the top of that lemon skin. So it's just like that. And that would be 1/3 cup of lemon peel that goes into the blender, food processor. And then jalapeno pepper, I just chopped them, 1/3 cup. Take off the top though. The seeds go in there too. Now 1/8 cup of salt. And I'm gonna start the blender. And may need to add vinegar as needed to make it more paste texture, but we'll see. Let's stop, open, and scrape off that salt that is on the top of the food processor, and repeat this process several times. And you would start to see a green paste. And like I say, if it's really hard to combine all these ingredients together and you need a liquid, you would need to add vinegar. Yeah, starting to get pasty. So very strong. Okay, I'm gonna continue this. I'm gonna continue this process until this becomes a paste. So we'll be back. Now I think this is ready. I'm looking at it and it's pasty. I added just 1 more teaspoon of vinegar, so it's all together 2 teaspoons of vinegar in here. Also, if you have a wide mouth food processor, it would take longer because you have to gather them up, regroup, and then paste, start the on sign again to work this. If you have a narrow food processor or blender, it will be much easier to make this into a paste. So now I have this sterilized glass jar. I'm going to put this into this jar. It's like bright green right now. And then once we put everything in here, you're going to label the jar with a sticker and put the date on. And you're going to refrigerate this for a month. And that's the only downside of making this. It's very simple, but you have to be patient. Keep it in the fridge for 1 month and it'll be ready. So I'm going to show you what it's going to look like. This is the lemon pepper that I made in January. It has been in the refrigerator for a month, over a month now, and it's ready to be used as a condiment. The color has turned to a darker green and it's ready to use. So lemon pepper, we use it for seafood, sashimi, fish, cooked fish, white fish, and also it's good with chicken and also like shabu shabu as a condiment. So there are many ways to use it, and it gives you a nice kick to it, kick to the food that you're eating. So I hope you try this. So that's how you make lemon pepper from scratch. If you like what you saw, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the like button. See you next time. Sayonara.